Did you know that some Italian judges are rejecting citizenship cases just because clients didn't attach every document from the start? That interpretation is wrong and even unconstitutional. Hello, I'm Carlo Pontei, Italian attorney at Mangata Avvocati. If you're applying for Italian citizenship by descent, you're sanguinis, you need to understand this key rule. Under Italian law, you can still submit new evidence in court. And I'll explain exactly how this works. Make sure to subscribe and stay until the end because this could save your entire case. So, some courts, especially in Rome, but not only Rome, have recently said that all your evidence must be filed immediately with the petition. But as an Italian lawyer working on these cases every day, I can tell you that's not what the law really says. The new simplified trial procedure under the new law is still a full trial, which means both parties must have the right to defend themselves, to respond, and to submit new documents. At least until the end of the first hearing. Why? Because the Italian Constitution protects your rights to defense and your right to a fair trial. That's the Article 24 and the Article 111. So, if you find a missing birth certificate or a new record before the first hearing, the judge must allow it to be included in the case. This isn't a loophole, it's a fundamental principle of how the Italian judicial system works. So basically, in simple terms, you are not blocked after filing your petition. You can still add new documents as long as you do it before the end of the first hearing. If a court refuses to accept new evidence earlier than that, you should know that this violates your right to due process. That's why it's essential to have a legal team that understands both the procedural rules and the constitutional guarantees. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button as usual and ask me your questions in the comments below. I personally read and answer many of them, and tell me if you would like me to discuss, to go live soon to discuss this topic in more detail. If many of you are interested, I will be happy to schedule a new live session right here on YouTube. This video is just like always for general information only and doesn't constitute a legal advice. Each case is different and even a small detail can completely change the outcome. So if you want a personalized legal strategy for your citizenship case, use the link below to book a consultation with me and my team. See you soon.